Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 7th question in exercise 7.13. The marginal revenue function of a commodity is 9 plus 6x squared. Find the revenue function. Also, find the revenue obtained on selling 5 units of the product. So, the marginal revenue function M of R is actually given to be 9 plus 6x squared. The revenue function R of x is nothing but integration of the marginal function. So let's perform this integration. So R of x is integral of 9 plus 6x squared dx. So after integration, this is 9x plus 6x cube by 3 plus constant k. So R of x is going to be, I'm going to simplify this R of x. So R of x is nothing but 9x plus 2x cube. Remember, this k is nothing but the fixed cost, or in this case fixed revenue. There is nothing called as fixed revenue, so we will skip this constant plus k in the final revenue function. Now, the question also says, find the revenue obtained on selling 5 units, which means they're asking you what is R of 5. So, wherever there is x, we are going to substitute 5. So, 9 into 5 plus 2 into 5 cube. So, this is 45 plus 5 cube is going to be 125 into 2 is 250. So, 250 plus 45. So, the final answer is going to be rupees 295. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 8th question in this exercise. See you in the next video.